Hello, I'm Lee from Data Harvest, and in today's video we're going to show you how easy it is to use the wireless UV sensor, the wireless ultraviolet sensor. So all of our sensors are Bluetooth and USB, so built-in, on-off switch down the bottom, built-in rechargeable battery as well. Now on the top there's a 6-digit number that identifies just for this UV sensor. So if you do have multiples in the room, the students will know which one is which. Quite a few experiments to do this on, but it's also not an easy sensor to show under this environment. So a common one is sun creams experiment. Get some slides, put some sun creams in between, a good UV lamp the other side, and you can do the maths and work out if the factor of the sun cream is as it says on the bottle. And of course, the older the sun cream, the less likely the factor is to be correct. Now we've just got a very basic UV lamp here, so we're just going to show you how easy it is just to get that reading. So hold the button down for 2 seconds, and we're now broadcasting Bluetooth. We go up to devices on the top left of the software, click connect, and as you saw, it only shows Data Harvest Bluetooth devices. There are multiple ranges depending what you're doing. We're doing just very weak UV here, so just the 5 watts per meter squared will be absolutely fine. We go and click on graph, click on the start button. You can see in here there's no UV at all. What a surprise. We turn this little UV lamp on here, just let it keep going a bit. It's not a huge amount, but you can see on the graph now it is going up. And then we go across. Now we're in Britain filming this in March, and there is hardly any UV outside. It's a cloudy day as well. We were going to put this out of the window, which would have been an easy thing to do, but we tried that and there's hardly any UV at all at the moment. So it really is as simple as that. You can click stop, you can do all your tools on here to take your values however you want on here, and you can go through this way. I mean, a good way to do this video if you're doing the sun creams experiment, if I go back to home, click on snapshot, we were just logging against time, but what you would tend to do for this one is take a reading, and I'll take one reading now, click take sample at the top, and we've got 0. So you can even type in here, inside room. You can now turn on your UV lamp or get your slide with the 3 or 4 different factors of sun cream. And I'll point at this time. We can now take a sample and you can see how much higher that one is. And we can even put, UV lamp on there. Now we don't have to show it as a line graph. We could have shown this, click stop Lee, there you go, as a bar chart on here. The first one was obviously 0, so you couldn't see it, but you can see the next one is absolutely tiny down the bottom there. We've got the reading number, right. Honestly, UV is really easy to use. Lots of videos on our website, on our YouTube channel. Go to our Secretary Academy. It's split into 3 areas: how to use the wireless sensors, how to use EasySense2 software, and putting those together, how to do the experiments. And that is one of the videos that you are watching today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell down the bottom and allow notifications. If you want any more information, go to the website data-harvest.co.uk, and if you would like anything from us, just do sales@data-harvest.co.uk and drop us an email. Thank you very much.